Social media success isn't just about luck, it's a strategy. One of the most crucial elements is consistency in posting. Think of it like a rhythm. When you post regularly, your audience knows when to expect new content from you. This builds anticipation and keeps them coming back for more. Aim for a schedule that works for you, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. The key is to stick to it. Engagement is another cornerstone of social media success. It's not enough to just post content. You need to interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. This not only builds a community, but also boosts your visibility. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely your content will be shared, expanding your reach organically. Understanding algorithms is essential. Every platform has its own way of determining what content gets seen. Familiarize yourself with how these algorithms work. For example, platforms like Instagram prioritize content that receives quick engagement. So, if you can spark conversations right after posting, you'll increase your chances of being featured on more feeds. Creating quality content is non-negotiable. This means investing time in your visuals, audio, and overall presentation. High-quality content stands out in a crowded feed. Use good lighting, clear audio, and compelling visuals. Remember, people are drawn to aesthetically pleasing content, so make sure your posts are visually appealing. Storytelling and authenticity are powerful tools. Share your journey, your struggles, and your successes. Authenticity resonates with audiences. They want to connect with real people, not just brands. When you share your story, you create an emotional connection that can turn casual viewers into loyal followers. Timing is everything. Posting when your audience is most active can significantly impact your engagement rates. Use analytics tools to determine when your followers are online. Experiment with different times and track the results. Finding that sweet spot can make a world of difference. Utilizing hashtags and trends can amplify your reach. Research trending topics and relevant hashtags that align with your content. This helps you tap into larger conversations and can introduce your content to new audiences. Just be strategic. Don't overload your posts with hashtags. A few well-chosen ones can be more effective than a long list. Collaborations are another fantastic way to grow your audience. Partnering with other creators can expose you to their followers and vice versa. Look for creators whose values align with yours and propose mutually beneficial projects. This not only diversifies your content, but also builds community within your niche. Finally, never underestimate the role of analytics. Regularly check your performance metrics to understand what works and what doesn't. Look at engagement rates, reach, and audience demographics. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy and ensuring your content resonates with your audience. By focusing on these aspects, consistency, engagement, understanding algorithms, quality content, storytelling, timing, hashtags, collaborations, and analytics, you can unlock the secrets to social media success. It's a journey, but with dedication and strategy, you can build a thriving online presence.